Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essentials: a trustworthy VPN, a disposable Reddit account, and an isolated browser profile. Install the VPN, choose a nearby server for speed, and enable the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Next, make a new Reddit account using an anonymous email service and avoid linking any real info. Finally, launch a fresh browser profile or portable browser to keep cookies and extensions separate. This reduces fingerprinting and keeps your activity compartmentalized. Once done with accounts, tighten browser and VPN settings to prevent leaks. In your browser, disable WebRTC and block third-party cookies to stop direct IP exposure. Test settings with a leak checker. In the VPN client, enable DNS and IPv6 leak protection and choose a country that respects privacy while balancing latency. Add uBlock origin and HTTPS enforcement, but keep extensions minimal to avoid fingerprinting. Also clear or use a fresh cookie jar before logging into your throwaway Reddit account. Now you operate. Start the VPN, confirm the same external IP in 2 checks, and open your isolated browser profile to log into Reddit. Post and browse without sharing personal details or photos, and sign out when finished. Clear cookies and site data each session. If something goes wrong, like an IP leak or sudden login prompt, immediately disconnect, reconnect the VPN or pick another server, and verify DNS settings and WebRTC status. This restores anonymity and prevents accidental exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.